You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hi, can I just upload my picture that I want to use?
Yeah,
Okay,
just one
I'll
second.
just. Yeah, okay, thank you. Hi, can you help me? How do I scroll down this? I'm not able to scroll it down.
What happened, Achal?
I'm saying I'm not able to scroll it down. I have to scroll up now. So how do I scroll up?
Just a second. Good afternoon, Devika. Devika, are you there? Devika, can you hear me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Devika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome to Vaga Academy. I am Priyanka. I'm the founder of Vaga Academy. Today's session will be taken by Achal ma'am. Achal, can you please take it forward?
Yeah, hi Devika, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay, that's nice. Okay, so today we will be starting with mensuration. Have you heard of mensuration in school?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Have you heard the word perimeters and area in school?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So, can you tell me what perimeter is? Anything you know about perimeter?
Perimeter means sum of all sides.
Okay, that's why I've written on, no? Okay, so what do you want? Okay, that's sum of all sides. So if I say I want to find, sorry, are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you said the perimeter is sum of all the sides. Very good. So if I want to find the perimeter of square, how many sides will I add?
Square. Of a square?
Of a square, yeah. Do you know what a square looks like?
Yes.
How does square look like? Can you give me any example that is of a square shape or something?
A photo frame?
Photo frame can be square. Very good. So how many sides does a photo frame have?
4?
4. So if I need to find the perimeter, I'll add all of the sides?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now you know that a square has 4 sides.
Yes.
What about a rectangle?
A rectangle also has 4 sides.
So what's the difference in them? So So what's the difference in a square and a rectangle?
Squares, all the sides of the squares are equal.
Right. And what
And
about
in
perimeter? Oh, sorry, rectangle.
a rectangle, the like the upper and the bottom,
Yes, very good. You
the
know,
upper
yeah.
and the bottom lines are equal to
Are
each
equal.
other, and the left and right are equal.
Okay. Devika, it will be better now if we both turn on the cameras so that I can see how you look. Yeah. Can you switch on your camera?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, please.
Yeah, switch on.
No, camera is already on.
Oh.
Wait. ये नहीं चल रहा है क्या? नहीं आप लेके आओगे तो मैम को बोलो पहले.
Devika, are you switching on your camera? Devika, are you there, beta? Devika, can you hear me? It's okay if you're not able to switch on your camera. That's completely fine. Devika, am I audible?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Either she is able to unmute herself or either she is able to open the camera. So we are connecting with webcam. Just a minute.
It's okay, ma'am, if she's not able to switch on her camera. It's okay, it's fine.
Okay, go on.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's get back to it. Okay, so you said that in square that all four sides are equal, and in rectangle the two of the sides are equal, right? Two opposite sides are equal. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so now this is a square. All four sides are equal,
Yes.
right? Okay, so now can you tell me how will I find the perimeter if let's say one side is equals to 2 centimeters? So the perimeter will be
The perimeter will be
we'll add all the sides, right?
yes.
This means this is 2, this is also 2, this is also 2, this is also 2.
Yes.
Right. So if I add all these 2's, what will I get?
8.
8. So the perimeter will be 8 centimeter.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Now, is this a rectangle?
Yes.
Yes. If this is 4 and this is 3, what will be the perimeter of a rectangle?
14.
14. Very good. How did you get 14?
I add all the sides.
All the sides. So you add 4 2 times and 3 2 times, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what is area?
Area means the length
Yeah.
inside the shape, the length.
The total space inside the shape. So for rectangle, this will be the area, right?
Yes.
This whole is the area. Very good. So if I ask you to calculate the area of a square, how do you calculate the area of a square? How do you calculate area, baby? Yes, Devika. Do you know how to calculate area?
No, ma'am.
No, it's okay. So, what you do in area is, okay, so basically to calculate the area, what we do is we multiply two sides. So, in square, all the sides are equal, right?
Yes.
So this means I can multiply any of the two sides.
Yes.
Yes. So when I can I say to find the area of a square, I'll multiply AB and BC? Can I multiply
Yes.
AB and BC?
Yes.
So what will be the area of a square if I multiply 2 times 2? What is 2 times 2?
4.
4. So the area of square will be
4.
4 centimeters. 4 centimeter square. Okay. We are calculating area and we are multiplying two sides. So we apply square. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
So can I say that the area of a square is side times side?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what about rectangle? Again, it's the same thing. I'll multiply two different sides. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, if this was 4 and this is 3, this means this is also 4 and this is 3. Which two sides I should multiply according to you?
A and C.
This means AB times BC?
AP times.
4
Yes.
times 3, right?
Yes.
What is 4 times 3?
12.
12 centimeter. Will I add square?
Yes.
Yes. So the area of a rectangle is, see, this side is known as the length and this
And
side is known as the
breadth.
breadth. So the area of rectangle is L times B?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know what a rectangle or what a triangle is?
Yes.
What is a triangle? How many
A
sides are
triangle.
there in triangle?
A triangle has 3 sides.
A triangle has 3 sides. So this is the triangle.
Yes.
Okay. If this is the triangle, again, how will I find the perimeter?
We will multiply any.
We'll multiply perimeter.
No, we will add all these sides.
Right. We will add all the sides. So if this is 4, this is 3, this is 2. Right? It is a triangle. I add all of these. So what will I get as a perimeter? Tell me.
9.
9. Very good. 9. Okay. 9 centimeter or centimeter square?
9 centimeter.
9 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Now let's talk about the area. Now, in triangle, we find area little different. Okay. Why is that? Because see, we have three different sides. We have 3 sides and all the sides are different.
Yes.
Yeah, all the sides are different. When we had rectangle, we had 2 sides same. When we had square, we had 4 sides same. Right? So we multiplied any of the 2 sides and we got the answer. Yes. But what in this? We to have all sides are different. You know?
Yes.
What we'll do? We'll try. Okay. So if this is a triangle and I cut this triangle like this, I can cut triangle like this. Right. So when I cut triangle like this, from the middle of the triangle, I'll have 2 same sides. When
Yes.
I cut, right. See, this side will be same and this side will be same.
Yes.
Yes. So this side is known as the base of a triangle. What it is known as?
Base of a triangle.
Base of a triangle. Very good. And this side is known as the height of the triangle because what this side is representing? how long the triangle is?
Yes.
Yes. So can I call this as height?
Yes.
Yes. So the area of the triangle, now according to this, we should get area as base times height.
Yes.
Yes. But now here is one catch. What we do is we multiplied. See, when I get base times height, I'm multiplying this whole base na and this whole height.
Hmm.
But how I'm getting this height? By cutting the base into half. I'm cutting the triangle into two halves. Then I am getting this height.
Yes.
Yes. So this means I have to multiply it with half to calculate the area of triangle. Did you get it?
Yes.
What happened to your camera? Yeah. Okay. So now what is the area of a triangle? Half times base times height.
Base times height. Okay.
Okay. Now let's practice few of the questions. See if we are getting the point, getting it or not. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So can you see the question?
Find the area of the following shaded figures. Here each small square represents 1 square centimeter.
1 square centimeter. So this means we have to find the area of this figure.
Yes.
First, you have to tell me it's a rectangle or a square. Tell me it's a
It's a
rectangle or a
square.
square. It's a square. So, what according to you, what should be the area? How many small squares are there in one side?
4.
4. So this means this side is 4.
8. 8. 8 should be the area.
Sorry. By it should be the area 8. What is 4 times 4?
Oh.
4 times 4 is
16.
16. So area should be 16 centimeter
Square.
square. Very good. And if I ask you to calculate the perimeter, what will be the perimeter in this?
Um, 16. 16
Perimeter
centimeter.
is also 16. We'll add 4 times.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Let's talk about this. Okay, again in this we also have to find the area. First, tell me it's a rectangle or a square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. How much is this side?
Ma'am, B.
Yeah. How many squares are there in this side?
3 and 3, 6, 7.
7. So this side is 7. What about this side?
5.
5. So this side is 5.
Yes.
So what will be the area?
35.
35. Very good. 5 times 7. And what will be the perimeter?
24.
24. Very good. Okay. Now let's do, what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. What is the area of a triangle?
Base into height into
Half.
half.
Half. Okay. According to you, what should be the base in this?
This one, this side.
Which side? Okay, I'll name it. A, B, C. So this should be the base. AB should be the base.
Yes, A should.
Okay, AB is the base. How many squares are in there on AB? How many squares are there?
8.
8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we have this half square also, no?
9.
9. So the base is
9.
9. Let's talk about height. See, this will be the height. How many
Yes.
squares will be there?
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 9.
How it's 9?
4
One.
and half.
Right, 4.5. So can I write height as 4.5?
Yes.
Yes. So if I calculate the area, my area will be 1 by 2 times 9 times 4.5.
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me the answer for this? Devika, you are stuck. Okay.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
tell me the answer for this? Can you multiply 9 times 4.5?
Ma'am, I don't know like multiplication in decimals.
Okay. Can you tell me what is 45 times 9?
Uh, 439.
No, it should not be 439. This is all multiply, na? 45 times 9, right? 5 nines are
405.
405, right? Okay. So we know that 45 times 9 is 405.
Yes.
Okay. In this, after how many digits I have decimal?
1 digit.
1. So in this also I'll put 1 after 1 digit, I'll put the decimal. So here should be the decimal.
Yes.
So it becomes 40.5 divided by 2. Of course, right now you are not even aware of the division now with decimals. It's okay. We'll learn it. Okay. So don't worry. Now you know the multiplication.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Let's try a few more questions. Okay. Are you enjoying this class or this is too much?
What, ma'am?
Are you okay with the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to complete the following table. Okay. To complete this box, what should I write in this? I need to calculate the perimeter.
Perimeter.
What will the perimeter?
50. 50.
50. Very good. What about this? How will I calculate the breadth?
$29.
29. How did you get 29? Tell me what you did.
I 21 into 21. Sorry,
20.
21. 21 into 2. Then I subtracted it from 120.
Okay.
Then what I got, I I got 78 and I
Right.
divided it by 2.
Yeah. So when you divide 78 by 2, you'll not get 29.
$34.
No.
$39.
39. Very good. So the breadth is 39. Similarly, can you calculate this box also? Calculate.
30.
30. Very good. You like maths?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I can see that. You're very good with calculations. Okay. Now this question is little different. Okay. Okay. So tell me what you have to calculate and what is given. You can see the question? Yeah. Okay. So what do you need to calculate?
The area of the shaded region.
Area of the shaded region, and you are given with the different sides, right? Okay. So tell me the see, this is the shaded region.
Ma'am, 18.
18. How did you get 18?
Uh, if that is 4 centimeter and this hole is 15 centimeter,
Right.
then I will subtract 4 from 15, then I get 11,
Very
and
good.
that is 7 centimeter,
Hmm.
and that side is also 7 centimeters. 7, 7.
Hmm. But I need to calculate the area. What is area? Area for rectangle is?
Ma'am, 70.
70.
7.
7. Very good. So the area of the shaded region is 77. What you did, you multiply 11 with 7?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Devika. Okay, let's try one more question. Okay. What's given?
A triangle has two sides of length 14
Yes.
centimeter and 20 centimeter. And the perimeter is 48 centimeter. What will be the length of the third side?
Yes. What should be the length of the third side?
14 centimeter.
14 centimeter. Very good. How did you get that 14 centimeter?
Ma'am, because first I added 14 centimeter and 20 centimeter.
Right.
I got 34 centimeter and I subtracted
good.
it from 48 centimeter.
From 48 centimeter. Very good. Okay, let's try one more.
The length of a rectangle is 2 into plus 1. And the
It's
breadth
2x.
is...
You're not aware of the variables now? You are, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's 2x plus 1 and the breadth is
4x plus
3. Right? So how will you calculate the perimeter? How will you calculate the perimeter? Yes, Devika.
2x plus 1 is equal to 4.
You want me to help?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So how will I calculate the perimeter? I add all the sides.
Yes.
Yes, this means I'll add 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 3 plus 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 3.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know the addition with the variables? Okay, can I add 2x with 1?
3x.
No. Okay. Let's take an example. If you have apples and bananas, right? You have 2 apples and 2 bananas. I have 3 apples and 5 bananas. Okay. If we add all our fruits together, how many apples we will have?
Ma'am, can you repeat the amount?
Yeah. Okay. You had 2 apples. I had 4 apples. How many apples we will have?
6.
6. And you had 2 bananas. I had 1 banana. How many banana we will have?
3.
3.
3.
Can I add those 6 apples and 3 bananas together? Can I add these two?
Yes.
Okay. When I add 6 apples and 3 bananas, what will I get?
9 fruits.
9 fruits. Okay, that's the fruits. But it's not, I can't have something 9 apple bananas or 9 apples or 9 bananas. Right? So this means we add all the same amount, same type of things.
Yes.
Yes. So in this, what are all same type of things? This x is all same.
Yes.
Yes. So when I add 2x, 4x, 2x and 4x, what will I get?
12x.
12x. Very good. And what about the other numbers?
8.
8. So the perimeter will be
12x plus 3.
no, you got 8, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So 12x plus 8.
8.
That will be the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So for today's class, let's keep it till here only. Do you have any doubts? You want to discuss anything?
No, ma'am.
No? Today's class was fine. Did you enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me what you have learned in today's class?
Mensuration.
Okay. And what you learned in the mensuration?
Perimeter and area.
Of which all different shapes?
Yes.
Which shapes you learned?
Rectangle, square, and triangle.
Triangle. So, okay, very good. Out of these 3 shapes, which shape have 3 sides?
Triangle.
Triangle. Rectangle and square both have 4 sides.
Yes.
What is the difference between rectangle and a square?
A square has all the 4 sides of a square are equal.
Okay.
And in a rectangle, only 2 sides are equal. The parallel 2 sides are equal.
The parallel 2 sides are equal. Very good. Okay. So for today, let's keep it till here only. I hope I'll see you soon again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Hi, do I just end the meeting? Hello, am I audible?